Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Victoria. I make videos about anything. It's my channel, right? So it's been a few days. I've been kind of sitting on these two boxes, my Boxy base and my Boxy premium. Just haven't been feeling well, having to break new skates, and you know, shit happens. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with the Boxy base box, and I just peeled them ahead of time because Madison's being a butt, didn't want to help me with the video, so you know, it is what it is. She's young. So for this I have 5 items here, and let's start off with this thing here. So we got the Araceli Beauty Bella Sponge Duo Smooth Blend, Need to Bake, Pointed Tip. Okay, these are $24. So if you, I'm gonna leave these in package, and we're gonna use, you know, do it for a giveaway. Next here we have Item Beauty by Addison Rae LiQWYD Moisturizing Lip Oil. This is $14, and I have it in the color Come Through, if you can see. Wow, this is a pretty big. This is really pretty. It's like a metal top to this. The color is very pretty. Oh my god, it smells like, it's very fruity, like a melon. And it goes on so nice. It's not sticky. And look at this applicator. Does not taste good though, so be mindful of that, but smells delicious. So that's going in the purse. Here we have the LYS, so Liss Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer. This is $18. I have it in the color Courage here. I think of Courage the Cowardly Dog. Is that wrong? Confidence Without Compromise. I like packaging, or you know, items, products that have like, it's almost like the Snapple tops. So this is really pretty. And then you have like a really nice mirror with the little magnet here in the bottom. Just as usual, I just have moisturizer on my face. Let's take our little brush here. See what we like to do. If I wanted to contour, okay, I want to contour. If I wanted to add like a sun kiss type of deal, like, oh, Vic got some sun, right? I can do that. This is nice. I really do like that. Okay, we have this thing here, Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector, $59. Feels very light. The way that this is almost like a reversed Clarins brand, if you're familiar. You get, it's, you know, it has like a cool tip applicator. Let's see. So it is a cream, and it is thick. The way that it's coming off of this. All right, and so we'll use this side as the test side. I'm a science geek. What do you want? And then we'll do this side as the control here and see how that works. All right, last thing here. Oh, we got Pharmacy. I really like it. Okay, so Pharmacy, this is the Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Cream. You know how I am about my skincare products. This is $44. Oh, look at how pretty this is. So pretty. So it's the frosted glass. It is very, you know, it is heavy. It's a decent size. Well, actually, you know what? I want to smell it. It smells like honey, and I love honey. I love the smell of it. little marionette line here and here. A little bit of wrinkles on the forehead. Let's try that. It starts off like a serum, like kind of thin, but not really that thin. And then it thickens up. It absorbs very quickly into the skin, you know. So let's see how that'll work. I got 6 items in this particular box. And all right, first thing that I pulled out here, Juice Booty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask, $36. This is heavy. This is nice and weighty. Very simple, very pretty. Okay, let's see. I'm all about the smells with my masks. Okay, it looks very smooth. It smells very clean, to be honest. So it melts in your skin, but like my hands usually run hot anyways. Okay, so that's only a little bit. So I'm gonna go under the assumption like there isn't like a physical exfoliant in here. That's the first item. Second item. Okay, another Lice Beauty product here. This is the Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. This is $20. Ooh, she's pretty. I like the packaging, you know, I like aesthetically pleasing things here. It's in the shape of a triangle. Okay. It is goopy, like watery. I'm not sure if this is a complaint for anybody else. Let me know if it is. It definitely has like a cooling effect, so I'm not sure. Okay, so it's got ahas in it. So smooths and evens the look of texture. So there you go. There's that cooling feeling. So we're gonna have to try it on the face where there's no okay, wait. All right, so just like with primers, but this is very sticky. All right, another thing here. Persona lip liner. I have it in it's called 90210. It's like this, my favorite shade of red. It almost looks like the color of this Persona package here itself. Because I have so many lip liners in this shade specifically, I'm going to put this away into another, you know, into the giveaway as well. And just as an FYI, this is $14. All right, let's pull this here. So this is Cover FX Custom Enhancer Palette, 3 shades of, ooh, like the enhancer drops. $42. Okay, so I have the colors in here. Candlelight, Sunlight, and Blossom. This is pretty. Pop that open. Oh my god. That's so pretty. Look at the colors. Okay, I have to. Because we have this here, we're going to use this we're going to use this middle shade here. I'm going to assume that that's the Sunlight color. So let's get that on here. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm going to put this pinky on my nose just for ha-has, just to kind of see how that... Wow. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with this here. Okay, so we have Bare Minerals, the original Mineral Veil, loose setting powder. The struggle is real. Jeez, okay. This has this little thing here. So I am literally only going to use the teeniest, tiniest amount. And so you take like a little brush, usually like a little kabuki brush. So I'm going to use this little kabuki brush here from LaRousse. Swirl and tap, literally. That's what it is. And let's put it over on this side. So this is what it looks like. Nice and matte, very nice and light. You know, definitely my style here. And lastly, we have the Aether Beauty Desert Sunrise Palette, or Desert Sunset Palette, sorry. Okay. So if you can look, if you can see that, it does kind of stick up a little bit. It's like almost like a 3D type of deal design. I don't know if you can. So you have like this whole credo deal here. It's in English and in French. And these colors are so pretty. This reminds me of what like Princess Jasmine would wear, minus, you know, without like the turquoise or something like that in it. Found the eyeshadow primer. Let's do it on this eye. So I don't know if I notice anything. Maybe, I mean, I don't know if that's ruddy, but it does look a little tighter here compared to this side for sure. There, you could see it better. Like this is pulled up tighter, and I'm not noticing anything here. It is tighter here, more firm. More firm. So these look the same. Maybe it's something that over time will improve, but it is what it is. So let's put some eyeshadow primer on. Not really much room for a transition shade, but we'll make do with this color here. This one is called Desert Sand. You do pick up a lot of product, but that particular color has fallout for sure. Let's do this shade here. This shade is called Sedona. Yeah, definitely some fallout. I'm going to use the smaller end here, and we're going to do the outer portion here. It's called Mesquite. All right, and then we're going to get our lid brush, and we're going to play with some, let's play with this pink. We're going to take this duochrome. This is called Sunset. Oh, this color is called Desert Coral, and we're going to use the Sunset. It is a duochrome. It seems like the matte colors were the ones that have a lot of flyaway. Put it down. So we have the color here, and we're going to use that. Oh my god, look at that color. It's so pretty. And then we're going to transition it to this color here, which is called Afterglow. Use the back of that to kind of deepen this middle portion here from what we worked on. We're going to go back into this mesquite color and deepen down here. And then we'll use that gold to pop that open. These are stunning. And then I'm going to use this green, which is called Golden Hour, and just line this entire lower eye with it. And then we'll use this silver here. It's called Twilight, right in the corner of our eye. So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So out of these 10 colors, we used 9. So I think that I did all right with using as many colors as possible. Be back after I put some eyeliner on and some mascara. And this is our finished look here. Not changing anything out. As far as eyeliner, my good OG Tom Ford and the Anastasia Beverly Hills combination of pencil and Z pomade. And then we have the Maybelline Sky High mascara. And you know what? I'm not mad at it. So guess what Vicky's using for work tomorrow? Absolutely stunning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with me, and Next video will be details on the giveaway. All right. Thanks, you guys. Bye.